The city's location will be a part of the Tahoe Reno Industrial Park, located 16 miles from Reno, Nevada. The park currently houses more than 100 companies that employ about 12,000 people full-time. Telsa and Panasonic provide rideshare services to about 1,700 people per day. Silicon Valley is known as the tech mecca of the United States, but this new project isn't being built in California. It's being built in the desert of northern Nevada. Tesla put this small plot of land on the map in 2014 when the company announced its Gigafactory.
What the people of Nevada created is a state where you can be very agile, where you can do things quickly and get things done. It's a real get things done state.
While Tesla isn't the first major company to enter the industrial park, it did have the most publicity, so others would follow, including the one that proposed to build this futuristic city, Blockchains LLC.
How are we going to change the world? So our goal is to create a place that will showcase the true power of the public blockchain.
The company announced the plans to build the city in 2018. But publicly, they haven't gone past the announcement and some marketing campaigns. The city is planned to operate on a decentralized system, using blockchain technology for as many functions as possible. But the thing with Blockchains LLC is they don't actually develop anything. The company is acting more as a tech incubator and an investor, which can throw some flags for a company wanting to change the world. So they didn't really have signage or anything that I could see displaying where the actual city is going to be built or proposed to be built. So I just pulled over to the side of the road and we'll take a look with the drone. I don't know if this means anything, but there's a fire hydrant out in the middle of nowhere. Strange. To get to the Blockchain's headquarters, you have to drive off the beaten path by a few miles, where they're temporarily using a renovated building for their HQ. I was there on a Sunday afternoon, but you would think to change the world and build a futuristic city, more than one employee would be working on a Sunday.